Hey guys, welcome to the first class in the Physique Mastery Bootcamp series. My name is Sean. I will be your teacher today. I am also the owner and writer at dietical.com. And for our first class, we're going to be talking about counting calories and balancing your macronutrient requirements. Now, whether you want to burn fat, get leaner, you want to gain muscle, you want to build up your strength, you got to know how many calories you need, and you got to know how many of each of the three major macronutrients you need, and that's protein, carbs, and fat. So in this class, we'll be talking about the fundamentals of all of those, and we'll be talking about the free resources available to you for tracking those things. And for our project, we're going to determine our calorie and macronutrient requirements and come up with a snapshot of our entire nutritional needs. So without further ado, let's get to it.